Hi everyone, I am back today with an unboxing of the women's Louboutin roller flat shoes. So let's get started. So this little bag is of course a couple of extra spikes. As you can see here. I've never needed extra spikes in all my years of wearing Louboutins, so I do not expect that Lucia will need them with hers. But it's always good to have just in case. Because these are sneakers, of course, they come in white dust bags. Right. So Lucia got these in a glitter color. So you can see they're a copper, shiny color. It's very, very nice. And go ahead and take the second shoe out as well. Take out the paper. Okay, so this is the roller boat style Louboutin shoes. So they are a really comfortable sneaker. So they typically come with spikes all around, as you can see. And they are a little bit flexible. So you can see as I push down or up from the inside, you know, there is a little bit of give, there is a little bit of flexibility here in like the patent leather heels or dress shoes. So they're a little bit more comfortable, a lot more comfortable I should say. Definitely can use these every day if you want to. On the bottom, of course, because it's a secret, we have the rubber sole instead of the red lacquer, and we have the signature Louboutin in cursive writing at the bottom, and of course the red sole. So this is a really popular style with Louboutins. I have a number of this style in the men's version, which is of course a little bit longer, a little bit wider. And they come in all different colors, glitter, non-glitter, solid colors. You can get blues, whites, blacks, etc. They usually come out with a new color selection with each season, so you'll be able to find these pretty easily in seasonal colors. So as far as the fit goes, these are pretty true to size. On the men's, I'm a size 40, and I wear a size 40 in these. And Lucia is a size 37 in women's, and she got these in a size 37 as well. So they're definitely very true to size, and they're extremely comfortable as well. And I attribute a lot of that due to the flexibility of the shoe, as you can see here. I've worn this pair in men's on hikes. Been wearing all day walking around town, on flights, and I've never had any issues. So the roller boat is definitely very comfortable, very versatile everyday shoe. And with all the different color combinations that they come in, such as this glitter copper color, they can be a good addition to your collection. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the comment section. Thank you.